a ladyboy dancing.
What is happening?
It's a ladyboy dancing. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I've got no money. No money, sorry.
There you go, Bimalinga.
Look at the trash, look. Look at this.
That's just
Unreal, mate. That's from just there. Just to the left. Better lift our legs up. Better lift the legs up. Look at all that, look. Unreal.
Hello.
Guess where he pushed it?
Where?
On the tracks.
Really? Amazing.
Unreal,
Really?
mate. All of it just shoved onto the tracks. Yeah. You see me filming as well, he didn't care.
But you don't think it's wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trains